Lot 210, the 1958 Facel Vega. Very well done. Lot 210 is the Facel Vega FVS Series 4 Sport Coupe. Such an elegant motor car with brilliant American horsepower under the hood. This one is particularly special as it's one of very few equipped with the 325 horsepower dual quad Typhoon Hemi engine. Enjoyed by only 3 owners since 1957, it was restored to show quality with all the right touches, from the factory luggage to the correct maroon Connolly leather. The 1915 Facel Vega is Lot 210.
Thank you very much, Alan, and fabulously presented the Facel Vega, ladies and gentlemen. What should we say? What do you want to start me on the Facel Vega? 80,000 to start, if you like, for the Facel. 80,000, nobody bid. Thank you, ladies. Oh, you're back again. Excellent, nice to see you here again. 80,000, ladies bid on my left. At 80,000 now. Thank you, 90,000 and 90,000. Bids right here in front of me. $100,000. $110,000 I have here at 110. You disappointed me yesterday, don't do it again. Keep bidding at 120 if you like. 120,000. Ladies bid at 120,000. $130,000 back here in the front at 130. Do I have 140? Don't let these men push you around. $140,000. Ladies bid again at 140,000. 150,000 back in here at 150. 160,000 if you like now. We're at 100, really? Oh, I had such high hopes. Well, what can you do? At $150,000 then, is right here in front of me, at 150, do I have $160,000 now? We're at 150,000, but in advance at 150,000. Well, I'm going to sell, ladies and gentlemen. It's here to be sold, so I will be selling the car at $150,000. Hello, sir, in the hat. Oh, he's running now. Nope. Well, at 150, very excited. 160, thank you, 160,000. Do I have $170,000 now? We're selling on my left at $160,000, and it's going for the first time at $160,000, and it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. If we're all done and all finished at just $160,000, do I have no bit of bid? Are we all done? 165, last minute bid, come in at 165,000. Do I have 170 now? We're at 165,000 then. Do I have 170 from you now, Rob? We're at 170,000. Thank you. Back in with me at 170,000. Well, I'm selling on my left and it's going for the first time. At $170,000, it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. Third and last time, if there's no bit of it, at $170,000 then. All done, all finished. Sold your car, 170,000. 533, thank you.